You guys did amazing. I think Jose is proud what you did.
Yeah, we did it today for him.
Yeah, and
we're leaving the rest ones on the rest of the miles. We're leaving on the table for him for when he's ready.
I'm so happy. Congrats and thank you.
Yeah,
You guys did history. Nobody, I'm sure nobody expected a 141 without nitrous.
Yeah, no, I didn't expect that either. To be honest, we don't really test that ski with no nitrous that often. Or pretty much almost never actually with GPSs, so we didn't expect that either.
Amazing. Good job, man.
Thank you.
Thank you.